Anthropic's Claude AI chatbot is rolling out a significant memory upgrade for team and enterprise users, allowing it to remember past conversations without needing explicit commands. This new feature enables Claude to automatically consider user preferences, project context, and key priorities when generating responses. The upgrade extends Claude's memory to its projects feature, facilitating the creation of diagrams, website designs, and graphics based on uploaded files. This advancement prioritizes business-related information, such as team processes and client needs. Competitors like OpenAI and Google have also integrated similar memory functionalities into their chatbots. Anthropic emphasizes that the memory feature is entirely optional, with users able to view and edit the stored information. Consider subscribing to stay updated on the latest AI developments.